Welcome everyone to MKMNO's YouTube channel. Today we'll be giving a brief introduction to the retail strategy of MKMNO. So if you all do not know this yet, MKMNO has two strategies under us, which is the smart money concept strategy and the retail strategy, which we'll be explaining today. So for the retail strategy would be it's a strategy that focuses on a higher win rate, but the risk to reward would be lower as compared to other strategies. So the style of trades would be we'll start off as a day trade, and we hope to make that day trade into a longer term swing trade. Yeah, so we are trading off the higher time frames. The main bulk of the trades will be taken off the daily and weekly time frames, and occasionally the 4-hour and the monthly time frames. Yeah, but it's not used as often as compared to the daily and the weekly. So the strategy is based off of 4 confluences, which we'll be explaining here on this chart. So the first would be a key level. Key level is where a price has rejected. We have a good rejection from. So we got here 1, 2, 3, some rejections here as well. So this forms a key level. So it's also support and resistance. So this will be the key level here, and then the next tool would be the Fibonacci retracement, where we use for the whole leg. The Fibonacci retracement can be used for the whole move down or up, wherever the market is going. So the key level and the Fibonacci retracement would be the two main tools we are using in this strategy. So you got the key level, you got the Fibonacci here, and then the last one we have is the exponential moving averages, which are the lines here on the chart. So these lines are your EMAs, and also on occasion we use the SMA. So as you can see, just leaving everything on the chart, here we have a key level and a Fibonacci that lines up together closely, and we have an EMA in that zone. So from here we can derive a zone of interest on this daily chart for USD CHF. So from here, what we're waiting for is we'll set a pending order here, and we'll wait for price to come into the zone and trigger the pending order, and then give a pullback, and we're looking to close a portion of a position, and we'll leave some a smaller chunk of the position to run down. So the strategy is using pending orders, which means you don't have to be on screen to be trading the strategy. It can be hands off at times, so it can trigger at any time of the day. Yeah, so there will be lesser screen time for this strategy. So it's how it can be done is just you can chart up on just before the market opens and set your orders and your zones of interest, and as the week goes by, maybe you might have to adjust your charts a bit here and there, and then maybe just adjust your orders and manage your positions accordingly, so you don't have to be on screen to enter the trade. So the lesser time that it requires you for this strategy is more suitable for someone working a full-time job, or for someone who has a busier schedule. And so we'll be waiting for trades to trigger off the daily time frame. Yeah, so at times it can take a while for the market to get there, but on top other than that, it still gives you the free time to go about your lives, because you don't have to be on screen and be on the charts at a specific time of the day. So yeah, so it's just a brief introduction to the retail strategy. Yeah, so for example, after taking a trade here, you can look for another trade somewhere down here, or if the market decides to go higher, we can look for another sell position up here. Yeah, so that's basically the brief overview of the strategy, and I'll see you all in the next video.